Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about installing a plug and play remote start in this 2012 Acura TSX. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. This is a 2012. This starter kit should work from 2009 to 2014. All right, we have the starter kit here, and let's see what's inside. So we have the module, we have wiring, and instruction manual. I guess this is to help remove the plastic cover. But here's the manual. We tell you everything about it. You will have to program this. I'm not going to go into detail with that. But let's get this party started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove this here. And it's pretty much, you just pull it off. I'm not going to bore you with that. Alright, to take this panel off, all you do is pull the tab around, but first you want to remove a screw that's in here. That's a Phillips screw, which looks like so. Alright, next you're going to want to remove this here. You have 3 screws for this. One here, one here, one in here, and one in here. Likewise, Phillips. And this pretty much cover this right here. And you're gonna have to use the tool that they gave you to pry it apart, like right in here and on the other side. So by me looking at this, it seems as though they already had remote start on here, because this is the same exact unit I have. Maybe it need to be reprogrammed, I don't know. So this car actually has remote start. I don't know if this is standard or if somebody put this in here. I believe somebody put this in here because it's just like the unit I have. All the controls are the same, the wiring is the same. So y'all can see this is all you have to do if you buy this kit. As you can see, this one right here is the same thing as this right here. This one right here, same thing. And then that green one is still the same as this one. So whoever had this vehicle had already put remote start in it. I didn't know that it actually worked. Now this saves me a lot of money because it tells me what to do here. So if you get one of these, make sure you tell me lock, unlock, and lock the car, and it start the car right up. I didn't even know it. So, but if you get a kit, it's the same thing I'm showing you right now. It's just plug and play. Like I said, just remove those parts. This starter kit cost me $2.99, so I'm just send it right back and get my money back. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe. I just want to show you that it is started. The key is not in the ignition, so I didn't even know this, but this saved me a lot of money here. But if this helpful or you have any questions, comment below. But I'm gonna just put this stuff back together, and that's a lifesaver for me. All right, now that I know that I have remote start, all I'm supposed to do is hit lock, unlock, lock. And there it is. It actually works. And it locks the doors. And it runs for 15 minutes before it automatically shuts down. Like I said, I saved $200 just by opening it up just to see if I had it, and I have it, so I'm very thankful for that. All right, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.